All right. You are welcome to Success Academy Skill Acquisition Training Center. This remains the platform for personal development and maximum productivity. Today, we are not talking about our courses that we teach both online and offline. We want to bring you updates on MTN data plan. So MTN just updated a new code for cheap data, unlike what they have before. So that's what we are bringing you. So let's go and see the code. Okay. So the code is 31265 hash. This is for prepaid plans. Okay. So what we have here, it says 250 MB for 3 days. For 3 days plan, that is 100 naira. 1 gig weekly plan costs 200 naira. That's awesome. 4 gig monthly plan costs 1000 naira. Then 2 gig bi-weekly plan costs 500 naira. I think this is okay. This is okay for those who like cheap data. You can try this and see if your line accepts it. Okay. So enjoy yourself. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share to others so that they can also be able to benefit from it. And also hit the notification bell so that each time we bring forth any informative, educative, and transformational content, you will be in the know. God bless you.